This is exactly how to create a server in Escape the Backrooms game. So the first thing we need to do is to just, instead of clicking on join game, we need to click on play game here, as you can see. And then you're gonna choose the mode here, so I'm just gonna take story mode, but you can also either set it private here if you want to, or you can also change the max allowed players here, as you can see. And then I'm just gonna click on story mode here. Just gonna load here a little bit for me, as you can see. And now what I need to do, I need to invite my friends here. So you can see there's going to be a code here. So if you click on the I symbol, you can see the code. So this is the code that your friends, or whoever you want to invite, actually need to enter to be able to join. You can also click on the invite button here, as you can see, and then you can just select players or select people that you want to be able to invite to your game, specifically here, as you can see. And you can also have game. You can see you can also change the game mode here if you want it to be easy, normal, or hard. It's completely up to you. And once your friends have joined, you can click on start game here, as you can see. But basically that is exactly how to create a server in Escape the Backrooms.